Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix unable to add pass to Apple Wallet from Ticketmaster iPhone setup and fix guide. The most effective fix when you cannot add a pass from Ticketmaster to Apple Wallet is to log into Ticketmaster via the Safari browser on your iPhone instead of using the Ticketmaster app and click Add to Apple Wallet from there. Go to troubleshooting steps. Update your software. Open settings, then go to General, then go to Software Update to install the latest iOS. Then update the Ticketmaster app via the App Store. Go to App Store, search for Ticketmaster, click Update button, and wait for the process to complete. Once done, try to add the pass to Apple Wallet. Next is to check the ticket status. Verification emails must be fully confirmed. Transfer requests must be completely accepted before the pass becomes eligible for mobile wallet storage. Turn off VPNs. Disable any active VPN or Apple Private Relay in your iCloud settings as security proxies frequently block Apple Wallet API handshakes. Match Apple ID region. Ensure your iPhone region under language and region matches the country where you purchase the Ticketmaster ticket. Enable Face ID slash passcode. Apple Wallet requires a secure device. If you do not have a passcode or Face ID enabled, the wallet will reject new passes. Transferring tickets to someone else. If you're trying to add a pass so you can send it to another person, you should bypass the Apple Wallet entirely. Instead, use the built-in transfer button directly inside the Ticketmaster app or website to safely move the ticket to the email address or Ticketmaster account. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.